How to clear cache on Brave browser. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Brave browser. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is just follow the simple instructions given in this tutorial. So let's get started. On your system, open the Brave browser. On the top right corner of the screen, click on three lines. From the menu, click on Settings. On the left panel, click on Privacy and Security tab. A new window will appear. Now scroll down and click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you can see a time range. Click on drop-down menu, select your desired time. To clear browsing history, below click on Clear Data button. And that's it. This is the easiest method to clear cache on Brave browser. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.